Is Nvidia's throne finally at risk? That's one of the most pressing questions in the markets today. New developments have placed the world's most valuable chipmaker at the crossroads of both opportunities and challenges. Let's dive into the story behind the headlines. Broadcom just landed a massive $10 billion AI chip order, sending a ripple of concern through investors. The immediate thought was clear. Could this signal the end of Nvidia's dominance? But analysts argue otherwise. They highlight Nvidia's secret weapon, its CUDA software ecosystem. Rivals can design chips, but replicating more than a decade of developer tools, libraries and widespread adoption is nearly impossible. In other words, Nvidia is not just a hardware company, it's a fortress built on software. But wait, what about the tech giants that shape the future of AI? Just today, Microsoft signed a $19 billion deal with Nebius to expand GPU infrastructure. And who benefits most from that? Nvidia. Because despite all the noise around competition, Nvidia remains the most trusted and widely deployed GPU provider. This deal proves one thing. Demand for AI chips is not slowing down, it's accelerating. And Nvidia is at the very center of that growth. Still, here's the twist investors can't ignore. Profitability is showing cracks. Nvidia's revenues keep beating expectations, but profit margins have slipped to their lowest levels in 9 quarters. Rising costs, energy demands, and supply chain bottlenecks are putting pressure on the company's bottom line. The question on everyone's mind is, has Nvidia already peaked? Or is this just a temporary slowdown on the way to even greater growth? So what do analysts think? Are they worried or still optimistic? Citi recently trimmed its price target, citing Broadcom's growing presence. Yet other firms like KeyBank remain firmly bullish, rating Nvidia as overweight and maintaining price targets around $230 per share. That signals confidence. Yes, volatility is real, but in the eyes of Wall Street, Nvidia's long-term story is still intact. And that brings us to the ultimate question. Does Nvidia's story end here? Or is it only just beginning? Competition is rising, but so is demand. Microsoft's giant deal shows the AI market is expanding at record speed. Broadcom's new push may create headlines, but the overall market is so large that Nvidia's growth could actually accelerate, not stall. This is why Nvidia remains one of the most exciting stories in the stock market today. Challenges, yes. Opportunities, even more. And this story is far from over. If you want to follow Nvidia's journey every day, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter in one of the most important stock stories of our time.